Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Westmoreland native reggae singer Sevana has pled guilty to death by dangerous driving in a Westmoreland court, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder? Deep Roots flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deep Roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning in to the Rastaman channel. Thank you for subscribing, building up the Rastaman panel. Jamaican singer Sevana has pled guilty to death by dangerous driving. This charge happened in the Westmoreland Circuit Court this morning. Sevana, whose real name is Anna Blake, appeared before Justice Courtney Daye at Westmoreland Circuit Court before the Star has a trial. Now, the start of the trial ensued, and it was in January that the judge, Steve Walter, set an October 31st, mention date in Westmoreland Circuit Court. The singer, who is on a $400,000 bail, will be sentenced on November 17. The police report that Sevana was traveling along Scott Cove Main Road in Whitehouse, Westmoreland, when the Honda City motor car was driving collide in a Honda Fit going in the opposite direction. Now, there was a passenger in the car of the Honda Fit, Ordia Cordiel, and this person sustained severe injuries and was admitted to the Black River Hospital. Now, unfortunately, later on May 30, Miss Cordiel passed away. She died on May 30. The police subsequently charged Sevana on June 1st. The driver of the Honda Fit survived the incident and appeared in court today. The Westmoreland-born native first came to prominence in 2008 when she entered Digicel Rising Star as part of a girl group, SLR, and they placed third. The group then further dismantled in the following years. Now, Sevana, who was once a member of Protoje's In.Digg.Nation, is known for her singles, Mango. I don't know that one there. Me love you like mango. Now, there's also one called Man Down, which I man rate. If you only knew. Now, her career got a big boost when Mango was licensed for use in the soundtrack for TV show Big Sky, which aired on ABC. So she got a lot of royalties off of that. The singer then parted ways with Protege and In.Digg.Nation in May. Now, these charges carry a maximum time of 5 years in prison with hard labor. Now, it is being reported that Anna Blake, her real name, the artist reggae singer Sevana, will be sentenced November 17th. of 2022. Right? And she's currently on a $400,000 bail. Now, I man know that Sevana is a good artist, and I know you do too. So I man ask for leniency from the judge, because I don't think that she went out there intentionally trying to cause an accident. You guarantee. Now it's being reported that, they're going to be looking through her catalog to make sure that, the music that she was doing is nothing that's producing any harm to the population. So I'm hoping that when the judge see the kind of artist she is, and if you're in the case to this point where she has pled guilty to death by dangerous driving, then I'm sure you have heard of Sevana and you have heard of her music. It's unfortunate the situation has, caught up with this beautiful empress, but sometimes, we have to be careful and be defensive driver, especially here in Jamaica, cause some pothole there where the whole car can drop in. My condolences go out to the family of Ordia Cordiel, who was the passenger in the Honda Fit and sustained severe injury and was admitted to the Black River Hospital. Unfortunately, she succumbed to the injuries May 30. And, I hope that, well wishes to Sevana, Anna Blake, from there in Savalala Mar, where she got her nickname, the Sav Girl. Hopefully the judge shows some leniency. Unfortunately, she will have to come out of the pocket and pay some compensation for both the driver and the passenger. That is only fair. You are guaranteed. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm reporting here that, Sevana has pled guilty to death by dangerous driving, and she will be sentenced November 17. She's currently out on a $400,000 bail. Her real name, Anna Blake. Condolences to the families that has been hurt, and well wishes, best of wishes, good luck to Sevana on this case, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment on this one. If you have not hit that red subscribe button, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can continue to get the content from Deep Roots TV. It's Rastafari Soldier here. If you want to hear the truth, hit that red subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen. The road them too bad, and the drivers them drive too mad. Speed kills. Slow down, ladies and gentlemen. It's an unfortunate situation here. More life, more joy, and more happiness, people.
Hello, my name is Ashina, and welcome